I love a mask on my face. Good morning. I hope everyone's having a great day. It is Sunday and we actually got a new vacuum this week and it's pretty much been the highlight of our entire weekend. We got the Dyson V10, I think it is, and you do not know how much dirt is in your apartment until you clean with one of those. It is a little bit horrifying, I'm not gonna lie, but also satisfying. So it's been pretty great. So today is just a bit of a lazy day, as Sundays often are. Done kind of nothing so far, but we did vacuum, so I guess that's something.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it.
What's up, everybody? I'm Sophie's boyfriend. Why not?
What did you think of the Dyson?
I think the Dyson is wonderful. It's a real nice addition to our family.
It really is. It's probably our best behaved child. Not her.
Not her. Not Bingy. Although I would argue that a Roomba is probably the best behaved of our children. Which is valuable.
Doesn't do as good of a job. So is it more valuable to do it when you're not here or do a better job at it?
I don't know. I think it's a teamwork thing between us and the Roomba.
Honestly, I know I said it before, but the amount of dirt that came out of the carpet was...
It's pretty shocking.
I never felt as gross as I did then. I thought we had a clean house, but we didn't.
No, we had a lot of dirt trapped in little crevices. Casually drinking a cup of peanuts.
Casually drinking a cup of peanuts. Why do you like keto?
I like keto because I feel better when I do it.
Yeah.
And... I mean, for me, it was never a big sacrifice. I don't really like carbs anyways. I don't really care about bread and pasta.
Can you imagine? I don't understand that.
So for me, it's just eating meats and greens, which are, you know, the things I'm there for anyways during a meal. So it was really easy to transition for me, and I felt a lot better when I did it.
Yeah.
So I've kept up with it.
If you guys are interested in learning more about keto, I know it's like gained a lot of popularity this year, but we could always talk about it and do a bit more of a video on it. But for now, just Zach and his cup of peanuts. Oh, the light is so nice in here right now. So we took down all our Christmas decorations. But I love Christmas. However, I hate Christmas stuff when it's not the Christmas season. I have a weird thing about it. I just like find it weird. So as soon as it's like kind of, I guess, New Year's Eve-ish, I will make sure that it's all down. Because I don't even like it being up past Christmas, to be honest. And as I get older, it seems like the Christmas season just gets shorter and shorter. So this year though was a bit of a dud for me. Like I just felt though as though I didn't really get to utilize the holiday season as much as I usually do, but I'll try again next year. So before the holidays, I got sent this awesome new mask to try, and I tried it once and I'm loving it. So I'm gonna try it again today and show it to you guys because I think you're really gonna like it. And I love a mask on my face. I love a mask so much, especially clay masks, so I think you're gonna like it. It is the world's smallest bathroom you've ever seen. And there is one light in the whole thing. I mean, it's very small, so one light is more than enough, but it is literally directly above the mirror and the only part that I could ever film in, and it shines right directly on my head. So I'm trying to stand back a bit because, as you can imagine, that's definitely not the most flattering lighting. So it's not going to be the most flattering, but that doesn't matter. So I told you guys that I was going to do a mask with you, and I wanted to show you the mask. I'm not being paid to say any of this, by the way, but I got sent this product and I used it and I genuinely loved it. I always love spreading the news about cool companies that I find, products that I'm enjoying, anything that I think better my life that I think may better yours. This is Flora Skin. It's a new Australian company that have their signature product out, and it is their Pink Clay Mask. That's what first stood out to me, I'm not gonna lie, because I love a mask, like, love a mask. But I especially love a clay mask. I just find my skin's a little bit acne prone. You can see a couple of spots. And I find that acne prone skin just does well with clay masks. Like they tend to be a bit soothing and they help with blemishes and that kind of thing. So I've always had really good experiences with different brands of clay masks in general. They work for me. When I saw this one was Australian Pink Clay, not only do I love clay masks, I also love Australia because I used to live there, if you don't know. So I was pretty stoked about this. So this is the mask. Not only is it pink clay, but the other ingredients really stood out to me because they're ingredients that I have used and loved in skincare products before. So there's vitamin E, vitamin A, witch hazel, pomegranate, rosemary, just a lot of things, lactic acid, things that I just in general have used in skincare products and really enjoyed. So that was exciting. So I was pretty pumped on this product. So let's get into it. I'm gonna put it on my face, show you guys what I do. It's not gonna be anything revolutionary because it's a mask and I think a lot of us have probably used masks. So I have washed my hands, they're super clean, and I washed my face when I had a shower. So basically I am just gonna open this up. So this is what it looks like. Very wet, very kind of like clay, but like also, I can't even describe this scent. It actually reminds me of my childhood in some way. But I'm just gonna apply a thin layer directly to my skin. One thing I am gonna do is avoid the eye area. I have really sensitive eyes. And I know that these products wouldn't, I mean, if a little bit got in my eye, it wouldn't be the end of the world by any means. You definitely want to avoid your eye area with any products you're putting on your face. But I just know my eyes and they sting from like anything, so I try and avoid them as much as possible. Oh, gosh. I'm like getting little tiny baby hairs in. So it's honestly so cooling. It's such a nice sensation. I really enjoy this. So I'm going to take it down to my nose. It honestly feels so nice. It's kind of tingling, but in like that skincare way when skincare products are kind of tingling and it just immediately has the sensation that it's like working or doing something to your skin. But basically I apply it like this. I avoid the eye areas like I mentioned, and then I'm gonna leave it on for about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off. And I have it all over my hands, so I'm gonna wash those.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la, choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah.
Okay. This is tight enough. To take a mask off, especially a mask that hardens like this, I don't want to just splash water on my face, which might work for some people, but because I mentioned my eyes are quite sensitive, it would really hurt my eyes to get it in there, and it would just get a lot of product in there if I were to do it that way. So I just get a washcloth and I get warm water and I soak the entire washcloth. I wring it out just lightly, and then I literally just, I'll show you. So I take my washcloth and I literally just hold it to my face and press it in, but gently. And it starts to like loosen the product up, and then you can start to really gently kind of get it off. But no rubbing or tugging, because Lord knows we want to preserve that skin on our face. So I can see that my skin's going to be red, which is always how it goes with masks for me. Kind of any mask, but especially like any tightening mask. I don't know if everybody gets that way, but I think it's my fair skin. It just kind of shows it a lot. Yeah, so I keep doing that over and over to get it off. My skin feels divine. I feel very clean, and kind of the skin actually feels really calm, and the redness went down kind of instantly, which I am very happy with. So anytime I finish a mask, I always apply serum right after. I just feel like it's hydrating and the skin's really like supple and soft at that point. So I like to replenish as much moisture into it as possible to keep that. So I'm going to use my current favorite serum, which is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. This stuff smells like a goddamn spa. Like, I am just enjoying it so much. And it's also just like really calming. I think it's the scents especially, but I just pat it really softly into my skin and it just provides moisture and calm. I love this. Moisture and calm. I don't think I can put calm into my skin, but I'd like to think I can. And then take any excess on my hands down to my neck. Okay guys, I think I'm going to sign off here and get ready for bed because I am exhausted. Thank you for coming around with me and my wacky boyfriend today and doing the mask with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed me rambling on in my bathroom. I'm enjoying vlogging a little bit more, but bear with me. Let me know any suggestions you might have because clearly I'm new to this stuff. So let me know what you want to see. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye guys.